Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest tips and tricks to make your social media shine. Today, we're exploring a fun and engaging way to personalize your Instagram post by adding your favorite tunes. Stick around as we guide you through the simple steps to add a song to your Instagram post. Whether you're sharing a memorable moment or just a snippet of your day, adding music can set the mood and make your post stand out. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head to the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to create a new post. Choose the photo or video you'd like to share from your gallery. Once selected, click Next. On the editing screen, swipe through the options at the bottom until you see the music note icon. Tap on it to access the music library. Now, browse through the library or use the search function to find the perfect song for your post. You can preview the song by tapping on it. After selecting your song, you can choose the exact part you want to feature in your post. Drag the audio wave to select the segment that best fits. Once you're happy with your music selection, hit Done. Add your caption, tags, and location if desired, then share your post with the world or with your close friends. And there you have it. Adding music to your Instagram posts is that simple. Engage your followers with posts that sound as good as they look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.